Chhabra. I'm from Mumbai. I'm 21 years old and I'm very keen about makeup. So I joined Bombay School of Makeup hoping to learn more and get creative, because I've heard a lot of stories, about Bombay School of Makeup saying that you can get as crazy as you want and you can be yourself. So I'm just here to experience all of it.
How did you come to know about BSMH?
To be honest, I got to know it from Insta Reels. I've been scrolling so much about makeup and Bombay School of Makeup popped up and I was very keen to know about it. So that's how I know it.
How was your learning experience at BSMH?
My experience at Bombay School of Makeup was amazing. Honestly, it was so good. I learned a lot of new things and new techniques, of course. And the trainers out here are so good and so professional that I can't wait to start my journey as a makeup artist after I get graduated from Bombay School of Makeup. I love it.
What is your best memory at BSMH?
The best part about this journey was fashion makeup, editorial. I lived those weeks. I mean, it was so good, and I learned so much. And I would personally thank Maya ma'am and Momita ma'am for, training me as a person. I have learned a lot and I can't wait to work backstage.